Today, we're introducing Apple Watch Ultra 2.
Now, leading up to the Apple event, we all knew that the rumors and leaks surrounding the new Apple Watch Ultra 2 were pretty meh, right? But one thing that seemed pretty concrete that was, communicated across all leakers was that they were releasing a new black color model. And needless to say, we were all let down. A lot of comments in the community post that I put up, people were saying, "Oh, Apple saved me $800. I definitely wanted that black color. I'm not getting the Apple Watch Ultra 2. It was a range of just disappointment across the board. But despite my better judgment, I did in fact pre-order the Apple Watch Ultra 2. But let me explain. Before we get into why I got the Apple Watch Ultra 2, let's talk about what's new or what I'm actually looking forward to about the Apple Watch Ultra 2. The new finger tap gestures, this stuff. This looks cool. I know a lot of people already debunked this, saying that you could already do this through accessibility settings, but the fact that it's been officially supported and it's supposed to be more reliable on the new S9 chip seems cool. It's something that I definitely think they could have just pushed to all the other watches, but it is what it is. We're here. Like I said, this is Apple, and we're gonna get finger taps. I'm curious how that's gonna work with Vision Pro, because that was the same gesture they used on the Vision Pro demo. So I don't know if that's gonna conflict or if it'll know like, hey, I'm wearing the Vision Pro, override the double tap stuff for the watch. We'll see. The brighter 3000 nit display. Now my 2000 nits was always enough, but 3000 nits sounds pretty cool for a brighter flashlight, brighter outdoor visibility. Brighter is always better, and also from what I hear, they've optimized the chipset to give you better battery life, and also the nits go all the way down. They go a little bit lower now. I think it's down to like 1 nit or half a nit or something like that. So for always on display, it's actually going to be dimmer, so it's going to conserve more battery life for those times where you're going to need higher nit output. So it seems like it's going to be a wash in terms of battery life, and the battery life on the Ultra has always been great. Of course, we could have better, but I almost would kind of rather them stick with the 2000 nit and lower the lowest nit variation, so that way we get even better battery life. But who knows? We're here now, so we're getting 3000 nits. It is what it is, but that seems like it'll be a cool feature to try out. Also, the new ultra wideband chip. Now they didn't call it the U2 chip, but I mean it's the second ultra wideband chip, so we're gonna call it the U2 chip. It's good for the person-to-person and device tracking, the precision Find My, where you get like the arrow and it tells you how far away you are from the person or the item or the device. Last year's Apple Watch Ultra can do about 99.5%. This is crazy. It can do about 99.5% of everything the new Apple Watch Ultra 2 can do. So at the time of recording this video, I would say if you were in the market for an Apple Watch Ultra and you want to get one, just buy a certified renewed one from their website, or buy a secondhand. The battery health on these is still really great. I'm still at like 98% battery health, so yeah, buy it secondhand or buy it from a certified refurbished Apple store. I wouldn't even say that if you don't have an Apple Watch Ultra, and unless you don't care about the extra brightness and the new S9 chip, I wouldn't even say that Apple Watch Ultra 2 is even worth it. Just go with the first version, save a few bucks. Now let's get into why I decided to get the Apple Watch Ultra 2, despite the fact that it's pretty much the same watch. Last year when the first Apple Watch Ultra was released, I was genuinely excited to cover a new product from Apple. I bought it because it was bigger and brighter and better and flat display and new design. It just felt right? And I made a lot of videos that were all well received from all you guys. And in fact, my coverage on that watch is the reason why most of you are here watching this video today. I am getting new Apple Watch Ultra 2 because it has contributed to a large part of my recent growth on this platform. And I know someone out there is going to be getting the Apple Watch Ultra, for the first time. There's going to be people out there that don't have an Apple Watch Ultra 1 and want the 2 because they skipped the 1, or they're going from a regular Apple Watch to an Apple Watch Ultra 2. There's going to be people out there that want to see this content and want to hear my opinion on it, even if they have the first generation Apple Watch. People want to know after use, is it better or worse, or is it the same stuff? We'll see. For me, the Apple Watch Ultra has honestly paid for itself a few times over, and I'd be crazy not to cover the Apple Watch Ultra 2. The new model is more of an investment for me than it is like a personal must-have. Like, this is kind of just, I'm a YouTuber guy now, I guess. It comes with the territory. But yeah, I'm not trying to justify my purchase to anyone out there, but because this is the internet, and You know, people follow people for their likeness and their relatability and, you know, their common ground. I don't want anyone to feel pressured to get the Apple Watch Ultra 2, or anyone that values my opinion to think that their Apple Watch Ultra is less than because of the content that I create about the new phone or new watch. I mean, it's just a shiny new thing out there. Your watch is still great. It is what it is. This is the tech community. This is what we do. So I'm going to be getting an Apple Watch Ultra 2. Don't get trapped in consumerism. Don't purchase it just because your favorite YouTubers or whoever out there is talking about it. Just, if you don't need it, don't get it. But I will be getting my hands on the Apple Watch Ultra 2 on the 22nd. So look forward to all the Wideband videos. I'm going to try to go for like 10 parts this time. First impressions, reviews, all the good stuff. Thank you to everyone out there that continues to support the channel. The Apple Watch Ultra series has grossed over 500,000 views, and like I said, most of the people here are subscribed from my Apple Watch Ultra content. But if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Stick around a bit. It's going to be a fun ride. This is going to be a good fourth quarter. We got a lot of content planned. Or I should say I have a lot of content planned. I don't have anyone. I'm doing everything myself. Solo creator. But yeah, until next time, stay fresh. It's been a pleasure as usual. Peace.